Hi there everybody. In today's video we're going to be having a look at how you can manage your jobs through your jobs list. The jobs list is so powerful for administrators to find jobs easily instead of having to rummage through filing cabinets and thousands of papers to find the correct job. So let's go ahead and do it. First of all, we would select the Jobs tab all the way on the left hand side on the blue menu. Once we are in the jobs list, we can see all our current open jobs. It automatically only shows you the open jobs. To be able to see all your closed jobs, all we have to do is tick the closed jobs option in the top right hand corner. We can then see all the closed jobs by the open column with the X, meaning the job has been closed. To edit what your columns look like and what you want to see on your jobs list, just select columns at the top. Here you can tick and untick what you want to see and what you don't want to see. For example, if I want to see the contact information, I can tick that and I can click and drag and drop it exactly where I want to see it in order. So for example, I've added contact in between open and archived, and there is my contact details. Going back to our normal job card list, we're able to use our filters and filter via the employees to see all the jobs for that particular employee. I can filter via our job statuses if I want to see all the jobs in work completed, for example, and my job types, say installation. And finally, I can filter via my start and end dates. For example, I want to see all the jobs I've completed since the beginning of December until today. Here are all my jobs for Alison, my employee, on work completed as an installation job for that specific date period. And finally, I can search for my jobs by just selecting the search bar and typing in a customer name or a job card number. And that is the end of your jobs list. See you in the next video.